Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about one of the most commonly Googled skincare problems, which is how to get rid of darkness around the eyes. My under eye circles aren't so bad right now thanks to this technique that I learned, which I will show you later. I did do a lot of research and I have tried so many myths out there. So the number one tip is to get enough sleep. I went to bed every day for a month before 10 p.m. and I do feel a lot more rested, but my under eye circles are still there. Another tip out there is to use green tea bags on your eyes, which I did try. After drinking tea, I let them dry a little bit and I put them on my eyes. They did feel like kind of cooling and refreshing, and my puffiness went down a little bit, but my under eye circles were still there. The reason why a lot of these myths don't work is because of the real underlying problems of what causes under eye circles. So I did a lot of research and I wanted to share with you some of the notes I wrote down. There's 3 causes of under eye circles. One is that the skin under the eyes is so thin and translucent that you could easily see the underlining veins. That's why your under eye could kind of look purplish or blue. For some people, especially those with like darker skin, they do tend to produce extra pigment around those areas. So generally that will just darken your under eyes naturally. And also we have this prominent groove in our eye that just naturally causes a shadow. Personally, I have tried so many under eye creams. I have tried Bye Bye Under Eye by It Cosmetics, which is super popular, and I feel like I didn't get the best results from that. And also I've tried a lot of drugstore, the metal applicator, so it kind of cools down the under eye as well, but those didn't work either. And that's why I'm so excited that I found Under Eye Recovery by City Beauty. I've been trying this for 4 weeks now and I love it because it has ingredients that tackles under eye circles with 2 angles. So one is that it helps with the thinning skin underneath your eye, which is what makes the veins appear more purplish. I feel like it has made my under eyes a little thicker. And also it has this really cool ingredient called light. So did you guys know the human eye can't actually see the wrinkles under your eye? It's more of like the shadows that is creating that effect. With light and under eye recovery, it scatters and reflects the light away from your under eyes, making your eyes appear a lot more brighter and take away some of that darkness from the under eye. So as I mentioned earlier, I will show you guys a technique that has really helped with my under eye circles. I don't know if there is a product out there that will 100% eliminate your under eye circles completely, and that's why I have this very simple makeup routine that I want to share with you guys as well that has really helped. So I'm going to show you this right now. After applying under eye recovery, apply concealer by gently dabbing into the skin with your ring finger. Tap to blend the concealer lightly into the skin just around the bottom of your orbital bone and inner corner of your eye. Make sure to avoid full coverage heavy concealers that are too light. Heavy concealers can crease, drawing attention to lines and wrinkles. Choose a concealer with a yellow undertone to neutralize the purple color of the under eye circles. It gives you a natural finish, and the best part is it completely conceals dark circles. The last step is to apply translucent powder. I use my fingers here, but you can use a puffy makeup brush. Use a very small amount of translucent powder to keep the concealer from slipping into wrinkles and creases. That's it guys. I hope you give under eye recovery a try along with this under eye concealer technique and how to get a flawless under eye and how to avoid this. And I'm gonna go wash my makeup now. Bye!